Hello, welcome to today's video. This video will talk about how to choose and evaluate an AI tool. We are going to frame this within the research process itself. So as we think about what we do within the research process, one of the first things we do is define our research need. In this case, we are going to define our AI research need. The question before us is, do I need a tool? The first thing I might want to ask is ID my own research question and problem, and then determine the type of data being used within that problem. And that data could include images, text, audio, code, etc. I then want to think about the complexity of the task. Is this something an AI tool is needed for, or is this something that could be completed with something like an Excel spreadsheet? I then want to research the available tools. So I might want to think about focusing on tools relevant to my research area. Are there available AI research sets that I can use? And then I want to check the tool for its data set. Where did this tool get its training data? What kind of data was being used? Who is in charge of training it? What kinds of tests did they do to train the model? Can I test the tool's outputs for biases? And am I able to check the tool's training set for biases? I may also want to be able to check the company's website about their transparency, accountability, fairness, and other practices. The example here would be to ask if they have an AI ethics board. What do they say about AI ethics? Am I able to Google around for reviews? Can I trust these reviews, or are these like Amazon bot reviews? Does the company who is promoting the tool address any privacy concerns within the tool itself? Lastly, I may want to consider what the cost of the tool is. Did it suddenly change costs? Was it free before and now it's not? These are important questions to ask because you can determine what the company has in mind for the tool. Evaluating the tool itself, thinking about its functionality. Is this tool what I need? Its user experience. Is this tool easy to use? Any transparency or documentation available? So does the company who created the tool have any documentation on the data it used, why it made the choices it did? Can I access the original data set? Can I access any other documentation about the tool? Can I compare this with a similar tool? Are there other tools available that might do the same thing? And lastly, I do want to consider how this tool is being marketed to me. Is it part of being within a tech hype cycle? So the tech hype cycle is characterized by having a new idea, spending enough money that that idea becomes its value, which then creates hype and generates debt. But I, as the company, keep insisting on this tool's inevitability. And so my questions for them are, who is insisting on the inevitability of this product and what do they have to gain? How is this being marketed to me as a consumer, and why should I believe the tech company? Lastly, if you choose a tool, choose wisely. There are many databases that are implementing these kinds of AI tools that are available to you, which we will go over in the next module. The next video is an example of evaluating an AI tool. Where was I?